1. F-22 Raptor, United States, renowned for its unmatched combination of stealth, speed, agility, and situational awareness. 2. F-35 Lightning II, United States, a versatile fifth-generation multi-role fighter with variants for the Air Force, Navy, and Marine Corps. 3. Su-57, Russia, Russia's fifth-generation stealth fighter designed for air superiority and precision strike missions. 4. J-20, China, China's stealthy fifth-generation fighter jet designed for air superiority and advanced aerial combat. 5. Rafale, France, a versatile and agile multi-role fighter used by the French Air Force and Navy, known for its advanced avionics. 6. Eurofighter Typhoon, European Union Consortium, a multi-role fighter used by several European nations, known for its agility and adaptability. 7. Gripen E-F, Sweden, a lightweight and highly maneuverable fighter known for its advanced technology and cost-effectiveness. 8. F-15EX Eagle II, United States, the latest variant of the F-15 series, featuring advanced sensors, avionics, and weapon systems. 9. MiG-35, Russia, an advanced evolution of the MiG-29, offering improved avionics, sensors, and weapon capabilities. 10. JAS-39 Gripen, Sweden, a lightweight and agile fighter with strong capabilities in air-to-air and air-to-ground missions.